Okay, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a piece that you can kind of customize and sell if you need to. So this is kind of a really good piece that you can use as the basis of customizing names and that kind of stuff. So let me show you how to make the base, and then I'll show you how you can customize it. So starting off, this is actually two pieces. So I'm gonna make a circle right here. I'm gonna copy and paste it, and put an artboard around it so you can see what I'm doing. And okay. And what I want to do is I want to cut half of that off. And I've done that before. I know you guys know how to do it by now. So we're going to get the rectangle tool. And I actually want that to be perfectly in the center. So what I'm going to do is, see that little center dot right there? That tells you that's the center of the ellipse. So I'm going to get right up to it. And I'm going to highlight it and object minus front. Okay. I want it to go this way. So that's going to set right there on top. But I also want to put in some scored chevron lines. So let me show y'all how I do that really quick. And we're going to start right off in the center. And I actually have my my smart guides on. That's why it's kind of cheating for me and telling me where to put everything. So okay, so I'm going to start there. And then I'm going to just draw the chevron lines, kind of how I did over here. So easiest way is to start at the top and just kind of go down. I'm also going to change the color to purple because that always reminds me that I want to score that. Hold on. Okay. Now I'm going to get my line segment tool. Oh boy, I don't know if you guys can hear, but my husband is working out in the next room, and it's loud. Okay. So now we're going to go right here. I'm going to draw. Oh, it wants to. Okay, I'm going to draw right there. I'm holding down shift because I want it to be a straight line. And then I'm also just going to move that over there. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Copy and paste it. And then I want to reflect. Actually, you know what? Let's do this an easier way. Hold on. Let's finish these lines up first, and then I'll show you guys an easy way to duplicate it on the other side. So copy, paste. Let's bring it over here. I'm going to put my grid on so that I can be aware of what my spacing looks like, or snap to grid. And then I'm just going to bring this a little in there. Nope. This is another good thing to use the scissor tool for. Okay. Copy, paste, and let's paste it again. Whoops. Select the right thing, how about? And kind of want to follow. It's really helpful to have your grids on for this. Okay. I do not like that. Okay. And if you don't want to do this, you can use the scissor tool and just cut it off. Okay, so, oh, whoops, let me show y'all how to do that. So I selected the scissor tool, and I'm going to literally just put an anchor point in there, and then you can see that it's selected from there to there, and all I have to do is hit delete, and it's gone. And I'm gonna do the same thing here, not there, hold on, and delete, and that's gone. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn off my snap to grid because I want to fix this up a little. And Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select just these. Well, make sure you have your selection tool. So I'm just hovering over all, actually I'm highlighting all of it and then deselecting the back piece. I'm going to group it all, and then I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to paste in place, and then I'm going to do a reflect. So I'm going to go to Object, Reflect vertically. Okay. And then I'm just going to move it right over. And there you go. There you have it. Now I'm going to highlight over it all, deselect the back piece, and group that. And now that is going to be your scored piece underneath or on top. So you can set that literally right on top, and that would be your backer. Now we're going to do a similar, let me group these together so I don't move them around. I'm going to do a similar technique that I used in the Grateful board, and I'll link that below so you can look at how I did that. But I'm going to show you guys how to add a name or whatever you want above here and kind of unite them together. So super duper easy. We're gonna, let's pick a name. Let's do my name. How about that? We're gonna do Bale, and let's get a cute font, or maybe select a font. There we go. Okay, and can kind of get it the size you want. So let's say you want it right there. And so what you're going to do is create outlines, unite the text, and then you're going to create an offset path around that. So I am actually going to copy, I'm going to paste in place, and then I'm going to go to Effect, Path, Offset Path, and I'm going to do it probably a little bigger than this, maybe like that, and maybe a little bit more, and you can apply that effect one more time by doing that. Okay, so now I've got this piece right here, and what you're going to do is go to Object, Expand Appearance, Unite it. I want to fill in these holes, so I'm going to release the compound path, unite that, and then I'm going to bring that over right here, and I'm going to unite this back piece. Let me ungroup it. I'm going to unite this back piece with this offset piece. So you get this. And now let me show y'all the stroke. Swap the fill to a stroke. And so now you've got this. You can put a name in there, and there you go. And you may want to go in and clean up these lines and kind of get it perfect, if whatever, depending on whatever your name is. But that's kind of the gist of it. You can add some holes on there to hang it, and that would be a great gift, or a great custom piece to sell in your shop too. So hope that works for you guys. Thank you.